Welcome to Pejaroiya Travel YouTube channel. We will bring you an unprecedented experience in this video, so stay with this video until the end. If you think the video is good, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
The Lena Pillars are a sight to behold. They are tall and imposing. Imagine cliffs that stretch for miles. These cliffs are not smooth. They are broken by deep, narrow channels. These are the Lena Pillars. These natural wonders are in Russia. They stand along the Lena River. The pillars rise up to 300 meters. That's as tall as the Eiffel Tower. They are a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This means they are globally important. The Lena Pillars are in eastern Siberia. This is a vast and remote region of Russia. The pillars are made of limestone. Limestone is a type of rock made from shells and skeletons. Over millions of years, the limestone eroded. The erosion created the pillars. The process is ongoing. The pillars continue to change. Wind and rain carve new shapes. The Lena Pillars are sacred to the Evenk people. They are an indigenous group in Siberia. The pillars feature in their myths and legends. Some say the pillars are petrified giants. Others say they are the fingers of gods. The pillars are a place of spiritual power. The Evenk people believe the pillars hold ancient spirits. They visit the pillars for ceremonies and rituals. The pillars remind us of the power of nature. They connect us to the past. The best time to visit the Lena Pillars is in summer. The weather is warm and dry. Boats can navigate the Lena River. You can take a cruise to see the pillars from the water. You can also hike to the top of the pillars. The views are breathtaking. The Lena Pillars are a unique and unforgettable destination. They are a testament to the power of nature. They are a reminder of our planet's long history.